Hello, and welcome to the National Network of Libraries of Medicine website. My name is Hannah Sinamis. I am a Web Experience Coordinator with the NNLM Web Services Office, and in this brief tutorial I will show you how to connect your NNLM account to the member record for your institution. There are a variety of reasons that you may want to connect your individual account to an institutional record. If you are a liaison to your institution, you can use your individual account to keep the institutional record up to date. If you are planning to take advantage of our member services, like ordering free materials or using NNLM delivery, affiliation with an institutional member is one of the requirements. If you are applying for NNLM funding, your institution record must be connected to your account so that you can select it as a part of the application process. Connecting to your institution record helps us understand who you are, which makes it easier for us to provide the best possible services, resources, and trainings that will meet your needs. It's very easy to connect your NNLM account to the member record for your institution. If you are creating an account for the first time, when you reach the organization field, start typing in the name of your organization. After a few letters, this field will start to populate, and when you see the correct institution pop up below, simply click the name and it will fill in the rest of the information. When correctly filled, you will see the 5-digit NNLM ID in parenthesis besides the institution name. If you already have an NNLM account, you can edit this information at any time on your profile page. To connect to your institution record on an existing account, log in on nnlm.gov. At the bottom of the browser window under My Profile, click View Profile. And on your profile page, click the Red Hen Contact tab. On the Contact tab, you will find the Organization field, and you can use the same process to look up your institution and connect the institutional record to your account. Just be sure to click Save at the bottom of the page before navigating away. If you have any questions, please contact your regional medical library for assistance. You can find contact information for your RML by going to Regions in the main navigation of our website, selecting your region, and then from the RML landing page, go to About and Contact Us. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. This video was produced by the National Network of Libraries of Medicine. Select the circular channel icon to subscribe to our channel. Select a video thumbnail to watch another video from the channel.